Shading basics, back and forth versus tiny circles. How you can take your shading up a notch. So if you've ever shaded back and forth, you'll notice that you start to get dark overlapping edges. This can be very frustrating if you're trying to make a smooth surface. Well, got a tip for you. You might have heard it before, but we're going to go over again today. We're going to try to do tiny circles. What that is you take your pencil, place it on the edge, and you're just going to make little circles over and over again. You'll notice I'm also going in a circular pattern. I'm not going back and forth and back and forth. I'm overlapping my circles as I draw, and I'm working my way over the value and back out and over value again. And what happens by avoiding circling back and forth, I don't have any of those dark lines. It's okay to build up the value. You can go over again and again, pressing down harder. You can change your pencils out if you want to, but as you go back and overlap these little circles, you build up your value without having the dark overlapping that you do with the back and forth. You'll notice if you get tired, what happens is your circles get more exact and they start to show up. So take a breath, go back in, and you're going to work your way back and forth. It takes a little bit longer, but the result has a different effect, and you won't be battling those dark overlaps. You'll see that when you burnish and you press down very hard, you still develop that graphite shine, but still the tiny circles equal a smoother transition. So if you're wanting to have a smoother transition, this is a technique that you might want to give a shot.